is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we'll be working on the Caddy again, and so as you see in the previous videos, we said we're going to start working on the body, but we are not going to work on the body now. We are going to start on the tailgate. We still have to put some body filler on there, and then we can sand everything. So let's get started. I don't know who previously did body work on this thing, but they did use a lot of body filler everywhere.
They did do a good job. At least they did a nice body work, but that was a surprise.
So we'll also contact the owner and ask him if we should just
continue just apply new body filler over there.
Or what he wants us to do, but
I don't think he's gonna let us replace this whole panel because
I don't know. I don't think so. But,
so
we'll ask him, and then we'll...
It doesn't look bad at all. I mean,
it's done nicely.
It's done nicely. I mean, we didn't even know it had that much body filler, because over here you can see they also used, but not that much as over there.
Yes,
so yeah.
But on that side there's also a lot of body filler, and then on the roof over here there's also a lot of body filler which came off and started to rust there, so I have to grind this away as well and see how thick it is and what's going on there. But yeah, we'll continue then, clean that, and then we'll continue from there. Okay guys, so all the body work on the body is basically done. All that's left to do is here and there. I think we still need to just go over with some sanding paper, and then we can give everything primer. We still need to do the tailgate, the body work on the tailgate to give that some primer. So, but for now, we are gonna remove the wheels because we also need to paint them, and we don't want to get some primer on them while we paint the bakkie. And it's just easier to take them off than to tape them up, you know. So we're just gonna lift it up and remove the rims. Okay guys, so we done sanded the rims, and there's still a few marks on them which we
Need to fix before we can give it some paint.
some primer. Yes.
Yes.
We have to do some, how can I say, we have to put some body filler on there because they were fixed, and then they didn't do it very nicely, so we'll just do that very nicely. But
Before we do that, we'll continue on that.
yes, we've got very exciting news.
Yes.
And we've been using my phone for a while, all the time for
Since we start this channel, we use the phone to capture the videos.
Yes.
And I mean, we used it now for 2.5 years, and we captured only for the YouTube channel itself. We captured about 50,000 videos on that thing. So, and the quality,
which made like 120 videos.
yes,
But,
22 by now.
So guys, that means that this phone is done. We are not going to use it anymore.
Your journey is completed.
Completed.
And thank you. I mean, it got us this far, so
It got us far, but now we got a new phone.
whoop whoop.
We got a Xiaomi 11T Pro. It's got a 108 megapixel camera, and it's got a lot of awesome camera features which we've checked out, and we've done a lot of research on phones and stuff like that, and this was the best one we can get. It also got a 120 watt charging, which it charged up in 17 minutes from flat to full.
Yeah.
So which is pretty cool, because sometimes you work and film stuff and you forget to charge it, and you can just quickly put it on charge for like 17 minutes and it's full again.
Yeah, so and the camera is nice because they actually built this phone's camera especially for cinematic videos and stuff like that. Yes,
and stuff like that.
So even the mic on that, or the microphone on that, I think it's got like 3 or 4 of them inside.
It's gonna be better, and sometimes I don't speak very loudly, so you're gonna hear me better with this one, hopefully. So, so that's gonna be a wrap for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, remember to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.
Cheers.